Welcome to the stream. Welcome, guys. Today is a beautiful day. All right. Today it's a brand new day. Welcome to the stream. All right. We had a beautiful day yesterday. All right, guys. I don't want you guys to mind the noise. All right. We're having a very heavy rain here in Lagos. All right. So that's the reason why. So you guys are going to, manage the noise. Anyways, let's quickly look into today. All right. But first thing first. All right. Let's edit. So yesterday on the stream we had we took two trades, which is GBP JPY and Euro USD. All right, and we end up getting into another GBP JPY trade on the Telegram channel, which I told you guys to join yesterday. All right, for those of you guys who are on the Telegram channel and the people who are on the Telegram channel before, they will see that we're able to win the JPY trade yesterday as well, and we're able to do a full TP on JPY, but we lost the first trade that we took on the live stream. All right, but we're able to win the JPY. Now only the JPY was able to put us in profit. All right, just the GPJPY alone was able to put us in profit. Why we also had the win on Euro USD. Okay, we also won Euro USD, and we did really good on Euro USD yesterday. Now I'm just missing a trade right now. All right, let me show you guys, but I don't know if we will still get in. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to set limits right there. Okay, let me move this guy. Let's do that. Okay. So I have a trade right here. Okay, there's a trade here. I just missed this trade now, but no problem, we can still catch it. All right, now I want to push the market back to the key level right there. All right, we have price breaking above. So the candle that gave us the entry was this big candle right here, this one right here. Okay, and our stop loss was supposed to be where? Below here. Our stop loss is supposed to be below this point right here. So we have about 5.9 pips stop loss. Okay, and I'm just going to be projecting somewhere around here. The reason is because we have a key level right here. So let's mark the key level. All right, let's mark it. We have this level. Now we must not target more than that point. The reason is because if price gets to the point, okay, if price get there might be a reaction. Price might just go down immediately. All right, and we don't want situations like that, where we get stopped out for no reason. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we're gonna be having about 5.9 pips. If we have price push back to this point here, then we'll get into the trade. Now I'm not even expecting this, all right, because anything that makes price come back down here, we just, I don't know. All right, let's just wait. All right, so then if this opportunity does not come again, if we don't have any opportunity on this trade again, I'm just going to look for another opportunity somewhere. Okay, on the same pair. All right, so let's see how that goes. All right, let me try to, let's put an alert right there, or let's just set a buy limit right there. Let me set a buy limit there. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me set a buy limit there. That's gonna be 25912. Okay, now let me put this one right here. Yeah, 25912. That's where our buy limit is going to be. All right, and we're risking 5.9 pips. All right, 25912. Let's try. Okay. We're doing good now. We have our GPUSD, and we're having 5.9 pips. Okay, then that's gonna be buy limit. Two 5.912. All right, so yeah, let's see if price push back there. Okay, we're almost stopping there now. Let's stop it. Let's stop the limit. Let's stop the limits. Okay, so there's no modification for now since price hasn't even hit our first take profit level. All right, so if we hit our first take profit level, I'm not going to be getting into this trade again. Okay, let's wait. Now this trade is not activated yet. If you're joining us for the first time, it's not activated yet. We're waiting for price to push to this point here so that we can get in for a buy. All right, let's see how that goes. All right, we're having this big bearish push now. Let's see. Come on, guy. Come on. Oh God. I just want this to give me this entry. All right. Before going up. Yeah, give it to me now. Push down. Let's wait. All right, let's wait. Now the way I'm looking at it, price is gonna go down. Let's just wait. Price is gonna go down. Let's see. Price is gonna go down. We just need it to tap down a little bit. Okay, we need it to tap down a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, good. I mean now. All right, I mean buy GBP USD 5.9 pips. GBP USD 5.9 pips. Our first take profit level is going to be right here. Let's do here. Okay, yeah, my first take profit level will be here. Okay, this is my first take profit level. So we're having about 25942. Now we're about to read that take profit on that one. All right, 25942. all right, for our first take profit level. Okay, 25942 for our first take profit level. Now my final TP is going to be let's see. My final TP will be on this red line right here. Okay, that's going to be my last TP. Okay, now I can easily extend this. All right, but because we have a key level right there on the 1 hour, that's the reason why I don't want to extend it too much, so that price won't get to that top right there and just reverse. Now I don't want price to reverse on me. Okay, so that's the reason. All right, that's the reason. So my second TP, all right, TP2 is going to be right here. Let's adjust this one. Okay, All right, that's our first trade right there. Okay, that's our first trade of the day right there. If you join us for the first time, we're in on this trade. Okay, we're buying GBP USD right now. Let's see. Please practice proper risk management, guys. Proper risk management. It's very important. Okay. Okay, so let's see how we do on this one. All right, let's see how we do on this one. Okay, let's see how we do. Let's see how we do. I'm gonna give price little opportunity again to go tap above this point here. If we have price tap above this point here, I'm going to move my stop loss to half. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see if we can have price go tap above here again. Okay, practice proper risk management, guys, please. Very important. All right, it's very important. Proper risk management. Proper risk management, guys. And we have 2 tries on GPUSD for today. Okay, so let's see how that goes. All right. Right. Let's see. Let's see how this one goes, guys. And again, we mustn't forget, all right, and based on this result, you guys can see, so yesterday, all right, we won 2 trades. We took 3 trades, we won 2, and we lost 1. All right, so we won GBP/JPY and Euro USD, and we lost our first GBP/JPY trade. Okay, so, and every win we were able to make more than we are losing. All right, so that's one of the most important thing. All right, so we're winning more than we are losing, so that's it. All right, so now I'm going to edit this one. All right, if you're on the Telegram channel, you should know I call trades out on Telegram channel as well. So if you're on Telegram channel, you will see that, all right, all the results was right there on Telegram channel, the result of the trades we took yesterday on the live stream and on Telegram channel as well. So I'm going to adjust this result that we have under this point here. We're having 26 to 21 to 6. So I'm going to increase the loss. All right, I'll increase the loss right here. Okay, so let's say the overall win, that should be 23 now. All right, so 23, why the overall loss is going to be 7. All right, okay. All right, so that's what we're having right there. Okay, that's gonna update very soon. All right, so we'll see. Okay, yeah, GBP/JPY is changing, GBP/USD is changing structure. All right, it's changing structure. We're having a break below this guy, which is not supposed to happen. All right, we also have price breaking below this one too as well. Now 2 things is happening right here. Okay, 2 things is happening right here. So let's see, we'll have a second entry on this one if we fail at this one. Okay, we have a second entry as well. Well, let's see. I don't like this pressure. We're having a very strong pressure now, a very strong pressure. All right, we're having a very strong pressure. Let's look at Euro USD. Okay, on Euro USD, I'm going to be looking for short very soon. All right, we need price to break below here. All right, we need price to break below here. That's if it hasn't already break below the SF. All right, so let's see. Okay, all right, we haven't broke below. So I need price to break below on Euro USD. Okay, I'm not in yet. Stop loss gonna be above here. Okay, right there. Okay. So now my TP, I don't want to go below the key level right here. Okay, so let's see, I don't want to go below here. All right, but I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push it down a little bit to make it to at least 1-to-1. We could have 1-to-1 right there on this one. Okay. Now it is what it is. Let's see. How many pips are we looking at? Let's see, we have about 7.4 pips. I'm not in yet, guys. We want price to close below this point here so we can have entry. Let's see. Okay. All right, GBUSD just still there. Just still there. GBUSD is still there. Just there. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Let's see. We have this range right here, so I'm putting the stop loss below the range. So anything that makes price break below the range is probably just going to continue down. So let's see. Let's see. But we are at a very strong and beautiful level. All right. We are at a very strong level. Okay. We are at a very strong level. We are at a very strong level. Okay, so Euro USD, I'm not in yet. Let's wait for the candle to close. Let's wait for the candle to close. Okay, I'm in on Euro USD right here. All right, we have about 7.2, 7.1 pips. Okay. We have about 7.1 pips on Euro USD. Let's see. Now we need to come out victorious on these streets. Now we need to come out victorious. It's very important. Super important. Super important. Now remember, these are our first trades. All right, so we're not out on anyone yet. So let's see how this one goes. Let's see. Now the stop loss. Let's put that. The stop loss is gonna be right here. Okay. My first TP. First TP will be here. And my last TP is gonna be here. Okay. Now we'll see about this. Okay. Okay, let's see on this. Let's see on this one. is practice proper risk management, guys. Practice proper risk management. We have to close today in positive so that we can continue our winning streak. All right. We need to close today positive. See. Let's see. Now, if you have any question, keep it coming, guys. All right. If you have any question, keep it coming. Let's talk about it. All right. Now on GBP/JPY, let's go to 1 hour. So we have our key level. We're going to be trading the bounce of a key level right here. You guys know what we do. So it's either I'm getting into trades on the bounce of the key level, or I'm trading towards the key level. Okay, because key levels are also magnetic levels. All right, levels where if price change structure and start pushing towards them, price usually just go direct to them. All right, so that's just the concept, all right, of my second approach, all right, to the market. All right, so what I try to do is try to not just wait for price to always get to key levels before I get into trades. All right, we can also trade towards the key level. Now this is something that I've been back tested. It's something that I've been done, all right, over 2 years. All right, it was not even 2 years, over 2 years of back testing. Now I'm not saying 2 years of forward testing. All right, this is 2 years of back testing. All right, so I had to work on it. All right, so it took me about think about 6 months or so. All right, I've been working on it, trying to back test, try to all those type of stuff. All right, so that's it. All right, so we just wait for price to print a key level, then immediately we have a key level, then we just wait for price to approach it. So during the process of approaching it, if we see a change of structure, all right, towards the key level, there's always a very high chance that price is going to just go directly to the key level. So that's just what we do. All right, that's just how we approach it. Okay, but for the key level and all that, I think I've explained that, all right, in the live stream several times, all right, to you guys. Okay, so I don't really need to explain much on the key level again. Okay, keep your questions coming. All right, if you have any question, drop that. Okay, and for people who are still asking, all right, if you can still get into this trade, yeah, you can still get into this trade. All right, it's not too late. You can still get into this trade. Since we're in drawdown, all right, you'll be entering at a very good position. All right, whether lose or gain, you'll be at a very good position. Okay. Let's quickly check the news. All right, we don't have major news today. Okay, we don't have major news. This is not too major. All right, this is not too major. All right, so we're good for today. All right, I think we'll start, all right, the stuff tomorrow, and we only have FOMC tomorrow. Okay, and that's about 8 p.m. so we're not even trading at this time tomorrow. We're not trading by this time tomorrow. I stopped trading by 7 p.m. all right, so we'll save on Wednesday as well. All right, now let me change this filter. We'll just use the high impact news alone. Okay, yeah, I think we start being careful starting from Thursday. All right, we start being careful starting from Thursday. Excuse me. So starting from Thursday, start being very careful. And then okay, we only have for Thursday. There's no news on Friday too as well. All right, so Thursday it is. All right, so I have to add this to my alarm. All right, just to be careful. Okay, all right, there's no major, so we'll see. If you're joining us for the first time, this is the hunt. All right, where the billionaires hunt. You want to join the family? All right, by subscribing. All right, subscribe and then join the Telegram channel. All right, let's do it together. All right. If you have any question, just keep it coming. All right, let's talk about it. Wow, Euro USD, we have a very strong push up right now. Good morning Edwin. It's been a while. What's happening? Just step us out or what? What are you trying to do? Oh, sorry about that. I'm also having accounts with Funding Pips as well. I wasn't expecting that from them, guys. All right, I also have an account with Funding Pips. I'll make video about it. I'm planning on recording a video about Funding Pips and all that. All right, and my account. So you guys should get the video before this week runs out. All right. I also have accounts with Funding Pips. I also have an issue with them right now. Based on I've talked to their support, and the issue is from the US client and also US. All right, I think PROPFIRM wants to go through regulation right now, so I think that's the plan of the US. All right, they want all PROPFIRM to be regulated, and I don't know how they are going about this. All right, I don't know how they are going about this. Okay, and I think PROPFIRM should just go and get regulated. All right, to just make everything easy for them. All right, at the end of the day, they're still going to make their money. All right, even though the tax is going to be huge, but they will still make their money at the end of the day. So I talked to them and they said they are working on it. All right, so I'm just waiting for their feedback on how they are going to resolve this. Okay. So let's see in the coming future. We'll see what's going to happen. All right. They're also holding my account. Most of the PROPFIRM are currently having an issue. Most of them, and this thing is coming from the US. All right, this thing is coming from the US. Okay, and the US is forcing MetaCode, all right, to talk to the brokers that are backing these PROPFIRMs up. All right, so the likes of 8cap, Purple Trading and all that. All right, so US is giving this very great hit to to MetaCodes to do something about PROPFIRMs who are registered under them. So that's the reason why you see that it's the regulation is more strong on MetaCode. You see PROPFIRM being banned, not to use, being banned, all right, from MT4 and MT5. All right, that's where the issue is coming from. All right, and all these things is all US doings. All right, even Funding Pips, I think was Funding Pips or one other PROPFIRM, all right, announced that it wasn't their partners' fault, which is the brokers, that it was the US forcing MetaCode, all right, to drop them, all right, forcing MetaCode to force the brokers, all right, to force the brokers to drop them, to cancel their contract. Okay, but unlike my forex funds that they use as scapegoats, the rest of the PROPFIRM are already moving their data to somewhere more secure. So for now, your accounts are still safe. Now the only thing that is involved now is how they are going to rectify it and what they are going to use. All right, since they don't want them to use MetaCode now, they don't want them to use, okay, I think they have option for C-Trader, and of course regulation is going to come for that too. No matter where they go, all right, there's still going to be issue. So I think the best thing for them to do right now is to regulate, and I think most of PROPFIRM are running away from from tax and all those stuff. All right, the business won't be that lucrative as it would have been for them, all right, as it has been. All right, so if they regulate it now, it's going to be something really different. So I think that's the issue right now that PROPFIRMs are facing. Okay, so I've gotten a lot of message also, all right, privately, for people wanting to get Funding Pips and all that. So I've just told them that they should cease getting accounts right now or whatever, all right, because everything about the the PROPFIRM world now is just not clear. Okay, but in the coming future we're gonna see something. All right, so I just want you guys to be rest assured. For those of you guys who register with Funding Pips, just be rest assured. All right, just be patient. All right, I've talked to these guys and they also promised me that they are working on better solution. All right, something that will be more reliable. Okay, so I don't know what their better solution is, I don't know, but let's see. Let's just be hopeful. I also have an account with them already in phase 2. I'll make video about that to show you guys. Okay, so for now, I think if you're looking to get PROPFIRM now, I think you need to be a little careful. All right, so Euro USD, let's see. We're tapping into the stop loss area. All right, so we got tapped. Our stop got tapped on Euro USD. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna have a second entry. So I don't know where that is gonna be until the market tells me what it wants to do. Okay. Wow. Now you guys see this candle is just 2 minutes old. Just 2 minutes old. We close below here. We have just 2 minutes old candle. All right, 2 minutes old candle. Went straight for our stop. Oh, that's big. That's big. That's big. Oh, that's a 2 minutes old candle. All right, this is a 2 minutes old candle. Wow. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the next level to form. Okay, let's wait. I think price is trying to push to this key level. Okay, one of the two. I think price is done with this one. I think price is moving here, but now I don't trust this candle, so I'm gonna wait. Let's wait for just wait. I want a more defined level, all right, that the price wants to push to, and we'll see. I will look for a more defined level for now. Okay, so let's put it on the chart. We have a stop loss 8. All right, let's put it right there. So that's it, guys. Welcome. How do I pronounce your name? Anyways, welcome. You know, all right, welcome to the stream. Okay, so that's what it is about PROPFIRM for now. Okay, I think some of you guys should just, all right, of course we still have Blue Guardian that is not being sanctioned presently right now. All right, and I can give you guys a 100% guarantee, all right, on getting an account, because I don't know what's going to happen. But I think whatever that is going to happen to the prop space now is just going to be, it's not going to be as hard as my first one eats everyone. Okay, it's not going to be as that. Okay, so most of them knows that these things are coming, so I'm sure they are looking for measures, all right, to cop that. They are looking for ways to balance, to do things, all right, the right way, I'm sure. All right, so, and that's one of the things that you've seen funding peeps do, all right, moving their account, you know, their data to somewhere more safe, so that people don't lose their account and their money. All right, unlike my forex funds, I was actually due for payout. It was really painful, right? It was really painful with my forex funds. I was due for payout. I was going to get my payout in just in probably the next 2 days or 3 days, because I've received a message that I'm going to get my payout in the next 48 hours. So I think it was the second day that I was supposed to get paid that the message hit. Like, it was so deep. Okay, so but unlike them now, my first one was really unaware of what's going on. So but now most of them are aware that these things are coming. All right, so I'm sure they are saving their data somewhere. Okay, so especially if you're with funding babes, you should be rest assured that you'll be safe, all right, for now, until the migration happen. I don't know what they want to use. All right, some of them are already moving to CTrader. Like, we have the funded trader. I think the funded trader is already planning on launching CTrader. Okay, but I don't think all these things are reliable and sustainable, all right, long term, because US can also do something about that. But I would advise you stay away from any PROPFIRM that is based in the US. So if you're PROPFIRM like the funded trader, you know, what other PROPFIRM? The funded trader. We have a lot of PROPFIRM that is based in the US. So just avoid all of them. Just avoid all of them. Someone said, so they scam you. No, they didn't scam me. We all see what happened to my first funds. So my first one didn't scam me. Okay, it was what happened. Okay, they didn't scam me. The US government froze their accounts, so that's what happened. It wasn't a scam, because I've been getting multiple payouts. Okay, so I've been getting payouts. I made video about it too. It's down on my channel, my payout and all that. So I don't have issue with my first funds until the US, you know, stuff happened, and they were able to get to my first fund because, you know, my first fund was registered in the US and Canada. Okay, so the both country, you know, just came together to attack my first fund, and I think that's because my first fund is the biggest at the time. Okay, my first one was the biggest. My first one was bigger than FTMO and all that, so that was the reason why my first one was the target. FTMO would have been the target too. All right, FTMO was also the target too, but what saves FTMO was that FTMO was not registered in the US. Okay, So because FTMO is not registered in US, it was easy for the US to tell FTMO not to operate in the US anymore, not to accept US clients and all that. But because my first one was registered in the US, that was the reason they were able to, you know, freeze the account and all that. But if you're not registered in the US, it won't be easy for them to go and just go straight to freezing the account and all that. It will be difficult for you to see that they are freezing people's accounts, all right, on other prop firms' accounts. They can't freeze the account. The only thing is to just, you know, things they have control over, like the meta code and all that, is just for them to tell them to cease operation towards, you know, for them. All right, so that's the only thing they can do. They can't seize their assets, they can't seize their money or whatever. But because these guys are registered, my first one is registered under them, that's why they were able to seize their asset and all that. So my first one was like the scapegoats. They were like the scapegoats, all right? They were the scapegoats. They were the scapegoats. My first one was the scapegoat. But according to news, all right, they've gotten part of their money back. I don't know what they are doing about our money. I'm expecting my money. I need my money. And if I tell you guys that money I was actually expecting was the biggest money I've ever received from my forex funds. Okay, I think I made video about it. It's on my channel too. All right, and I had most of my accounts. All right, my major account was with my forex funds. I had my major account with them. All right, I wasn't even looking or paying attention to any other prop firm at all. I was only concentrating on my forex funds, you know, trying to get the max account, all right, before the issue happened. So the prop space is very hot now, very hot, but I'm sure things are going to be settled very soon. Once everybody decides to regulate, it will make sense. Okay, but the tax and all that, that's where the problem comes in, because natural traders, all right, in the US, they are moving to Dubai because of tax. Okay, so that's tell you how big it is, how big deal it is, all right, to have a business, all right, in the US. So I don't know, most of them are moving, so definitely that's the reason why most of the companies are trying to avoid the regulation. Okay, and I think it's going to affect some of their operations and all that. So we will see in the nearest future. We will see what's going to happen in the nearest future. Okay, today we've hit losses. Okay, but that's okay. All right, that's very, very okay. It's not over yet for today. Okay, so this was the trade of yesterday. I'm gonna move this one. Let me just delete this one here. Okay, let me just delete this one. And then looking at the key level, I think my key level is down here, my key level is right here. Okay, so nothing is setting up yet on GPY. And again on what is it called, Euro USD, I'll be waiting for this candle to close before I make any decision. All right, but I'm still going to be targeting this downside right here. Okay, so we're gonna see. Okay, now one of the reasons why I'm still paying close attention to this key level is because of the fact that we have price push all the way to this point here and then broke below these guys, comes to have a retracement, and this was also a break below. If you can see, this candle closes below the low of this guy right here. Okay, after we have that, this is more like a retracement. Okay, It's more like a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so and this reversal can happen anywhere, can happen here, can happen anywhere, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, whatever. The reversal can happen anywhere. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's it right there. So we already have one rejection, all right, and we enter based on this rejection right here, thinking price is going to continue down immediately, but then we have price push back up again. All right, so I'm just going to wait for this candle, this 1 hour candle, to close. When it closes, then I'm going to wait for, instead of having my entry, all right, instead of having my red line here, because this is where we got our entry at this entry, I'm not going to, I'll move it up a little bit to this point here. I'll move it up a little bit. So that's where I'm going to have it. Okay, so I'm not looking into any buyers right now, all right, except if I see that structure has really changed. Okay, that's only when I'm going to be looking to buy. Okay, but for now I'm not looking at any buys. Okay, I'm not looking at any buys for now. All right, another thing we could do is, if price make it to this point here, then I'm going to be trading the key level, just key level direct. All right, just trading the key level. Is the key level right there. Nothing on GBJPY yet, and on what's this? Okay, yeah, GPUSD. Okay, we can see price continue down. Now I have two key levels that I'm planning on trading on GPUSD. We have this key level right here, and we have this one. Okay, immediately we have this close of this candle. I'm going to be looking for entry just to kind of like trade it back to the key level. So just to trade it back to the key level. All right, now again guys, all right, so we'll be trading it back. All right, so immediately we have this close. We will see instead I'm trading on this key level right here, or I'm trading on this one. Okay, one of the two, and we can also trade towards that too as well. All right, so now one thing that is very, very important, all right, is that you guys need to join the Telegram channel. It's very important, guys. Join the Telegram channel, because that's where I'm going to give you guys updates of every single trade I'm getting into. All right, that's where I give updates of the trades I'm getting into. All right, so you want to join the Telegram channel so that every single trade, like yesterday we had GPJPY on the live stream, the GPJPY, because if you guys are following from the beginning, I told you guys that we're having two entries. All right, we're having two entries on every pair. Okay, two entries on every pair. All right, and the thing is, when we're having two entries on every pair, the first entry can be a loss. That's one thing you need to know. The first entry can be a loss, and the second entry will be the winner. Okay, so that's the reason why you need to be on the Telegram channel, because I can't share everything with you guys. I can't continue to be on the live stream for the entire day. Okay, so you have to be on the Telegram channel so that when I'm having my second entries, you'll be able to get in too as well and join us to trade it. Okay, so that is it. So you want to join the Telegram channel, the link is in the show box below. If you want to join the Telegram channel, okay, you can use the link on the show box below. Don't worry guys, we're definitely gonna be making some money. All right, don't worry. So we'll see how this one goes. So for now, my advice would be, if you want to trade, if you're trading currently right now, I think you should consider just getting just funding your money instead of buying a PROPFIRM account right now. I would advise you just get, fund your money into your brokerage account. I mean, there's no point. All right, if you can grow a small account, you won't be able to pass a PROPFIRM anyway. All right, so if you can't grow a small account, there's no passing a PROPFIRM in the first place. Okay, so I think it's best for you guys to just deposit the money into a brokerage account and just continue to trade it, just continue to grow it little by little. All right, let's say you're planning on getting an account of about $60 or thereabouts, or $100 or thereabouts. Just put it in a brokerage account, regulated brokerage account, and just continue to grow that. All right, pending the time that the issues with the PROPFIRM and all that is cleared. All right, but I'm very, very sure the issue will be cleared, because no matter how bad it is, some PROPFIRMs are still going to go for the regulation. Now the thing is, because one of the PROPFIRM hasn't go for regulation, that's the reason why it's still like that. Once one of them go through that regulation phase and do all the stuffs, the rest of them will start following. All right, so it is what it is. So that's just it. That's just it, guys. Just put it in your brokerage account and just continue to trade it, just gradually. All right. Then when it comes, and if you're living in Nigeria, you know that $1 is a very big money now. $1 is about 1,700 naira. All right, so if you have a small account, you project about $20 or $30. All right, that depends. If you have about $200 account, you can project about $20 or $10 to $20 weekly. Okay, that would be something. Okay, that would be something. You can roll with that for some time till everything is sorted out. So do you guys have any question? Do you guys have any more question? Let's talk about it. Okay, let's talk about it. We have to wait. We have to wait. All right, guys, so let's see we're going to finish off. All right, if you're watching right now, I want you guys to click on the like button. All right, just hit the like button. All right, and if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. All right, to join the family. Okay, so I'm going to update you guys on the Telegram channel. We should be able to see more trades on Telegram channel today, so we can use that to cover for the okay. We still have about 4 opportunities that we're still going to take. All right, we have one opportunity on Euro USD, one opportunity on GBP USD, and we still have about 2 opportunities, possible 2 opportunities on GBP JPY. All right, but if we have our first trade to be a winner on GBP JPY, then we don't need to have 4 opportunities. All right, so we probably just have 3. Okay, so those are the things. We still have more opportunities today, which are still definitely going to be happening today. All right, so what you can do is join the Telegram channel. It's very important. Join the family. All right, not just about joining alone, so that you can get into the trades that we're going to be getting into today. Okay, you guys know how I trade. All right, you guys know how I trade. All right, proper risk management is very, very important, and we just try to give every single trade more opportunity, every single pair more opportunity every single day. All right, if we're trading, we're giving the pair more opportunity. All right, you don't just want to get into one trade and probably maybe you shoot wrong and then you just accept and just move on to the next day. All right, now you might have a strategy that gives you that, or a strategy that does something like that, but based on our own strategy, we need to have 2 entries, 2 tries in the market every day. All right, now it's not necessarily going to be 2 tries. If the first try is okay, then we don't have any reason to have the second try. But if the first try is bad, then we have opportunity to try on the second try. Okay, so that's just how we do it. All right, that's just how we trade it. Okay, so you want to join the Telegram channel so you get updated on the next trade, the next thing we're about to do, or whatever. Okay, so thank you guys for joining today. All right, thank you for coming to the live stream today. It's been an amazing time with you guys. All right, and I love the interaction today. All right, it makes a lot of sense. All right, and we'll do more by next tomorrow. All right, I'll be live right here tomorrow. All right, for you guys. Okay, so let's finish this on Telegram channel. All right, so I'm gonna say bye right here. Bye right here. But one more thing, guys, let's talk about one more thing. Okay, one more thing before you guys go. Losing is part of the game. All right, losing is part of the game. You need to prepare for that. All right, so for people who are probably scared about losses or whatever, you cannot do without it. You don't have any business trading if you have issue or you have problem with losing. All right, there's no business trading. You don't have business trading. You don't even have to be trading at all if you have issue losing. All right, So that's it. Losing is part of the game, and it doesn't have to be a problem. All right, when you, because I've said it several times on this live stream, that it's not just about dealing with one trade or two trades or one bad day or whatever. Today is not bad yet. All right, so we're still trading. All right, but it's not just about dealing with that. It's about the longevity. All right, it's how many trades. Show me 1,000 trade. All right, show me 100 trades. All right, are you profitable at the end of the day? That's how trading works. All right, but if you have issue with 1 day loss or just 2 day loss, then that's a very big problem. All right, you need to look into more of the bigger picture. Okay, that's how it works. All right, that's just a quick reminder. All right, just to cheer you guys up. All right, and we're gonna see what we're gonna see on the Telegram channel.